Ang ganda. May garbage. May playground. May picnic. Big picnic area. Big rest area. Wow. We are still here in Minnesota Highway. Minnesota system of highway involved gradually the earliest route where Native American trails linking major waterways roads. Mayroong gusto mag-snack. Mayroong available na snack po dito. Guys, pabalik na po kami sa U-Haul namin. Paalis na rin po kami. Nag-restroom lang po kami saglit. Kasi meron pa pong 2 hours na travel.